In a strongly worded press conference, Chief Justice Martha Koome, who walked down the famous stairs of the Supreme Court, did not mince her words. The CJ going in hard on the National Police Service following the decision to withdraw the security detail of Judge Lawrence Mugambi, terming the move as a ploy to intimidate the judiciary.
The act of withdrawing the security of a sitting judge following a judicial decision that displeased certain authorities is deeply concerning. It sends a chilling message to the judiciary and indeed to the public at large that those entrusted with upholding justice and safeguarding our rights can be intimidated, that judges can be bullied or retaliated against for their rulings.
After delivering his sentence on Friday that saw Acting Inspector General of Police handed a 6-month jail term, over the weekend, his security details are said to have been withdrawn. Actions that the Judicial Service Commission is now calling retaliatory action from the police.
Any benefits or conditions of service related to a judge's position, including their security, must not be varied to their disadvantage, particularly in retaliation for the lawful execution of their judicial duties. Security for judges is an accrued benefit that cannot be withdrawn whimsically.
Koome says that the new developments will not by any chance cow the judiciary into submission by any arm of the government.
The security of a judge are tools of trade. They are not just given by the IG. They are given by the Constitution. It is a process that goes through Judicial Service Commission and SRC, and they cannot wake up one morning and just withdraw. Therefore, we are appealing to them to restore the security of Justice Lawrence Mugambi.
Judge Mugambi, after running out of patience with Masengeli defiance, instructed that Interior CS Kithure Kindiki ensures that the order was complied with. Masengeli was to make an appearance to explain the whereabouts of activist Bob Njagi, brothers Aslam Longton and Jamil Longton, and for a record 7 times, the acting IG failed to heed to the calls.
It is crucial to remember that judicial independence is not a privilege for judges. It is the cornerstone of justice for all citizens. Judges must be free to make decisions based solely on the law without fear of retribution or interference.
Judge Mugambi's driver, who is also a police officer, was also asked to surrender his firearm, was withdrawn and ordered to report back to police headquarters for instructions. Requests by JSC to get them back were not responded to.
Those 2 personnel were withdrawn yesterday. They were disarmed and withdrawn, told to report to their headquarters. All our efforts to get in touch with them to restore the personnel to Justice Mugambi were unresponded to. But because we work together under NCAJ, we all serve Kenyans. All the arms of government function together for the service of Kenyans. We continue to talk to them and tell them to restore immediately.
LSK has also condemned the police service for their recent actions.
When the 7 days expire, that was given to the Inspector General to redeem himself. But we are surprised that he did not grab that chance, or he doesn't intend to grab that chance. In any case, he has proceeded to withdraw the security of a judge of a superior court. This has never happened before. It's the first time this is happening to a judge, at least under this government. And it's very important, and we want to remind officers who are actually serving us in different government institutions that compliance with court orders is not a favor you're doing, but it's the oath of office that you took.
The National Churches Council of Kenya, NCCK, in a protest letter to Interior CS Kithure Kindiki, has demanded that he intervenes and have the security detail of Justice Lawrence Mugambi reinstated immediately. The charge body says the withdrawal of the judge's security amounts to intimidation of a judicial officer and serves to undermine the rule of law. In a statement, the senior counsel bar terms the police action as illegal, terming it as unjustified, vengeful measure and abuse of the rule of law. This comes at a time when a push and pull between the executive and the judiciary have escalated following rulings made against the state. In recent days, their rulings have rubbed state the wrong way, and now going in the fray is the National Police Service, who have been working hand in hand with the judiciary in the undertakings. Martin Opio, K24 TV, Nairobi.